names, all of them.
Menteri Rangba Khuborjylla korat ke sangma haka artharit naitung ula pen urlong ya kajing angnur ka Eastern Brook Band ka Nongtem juki brio bam Iohi ki khman da ka ba ai jing rap ki de ki tiar tem tiar put kane kadai ka Synñiang ai jing kershan pakadai lengba ka Meghalaya grassroots music program lengba ka office Menteri Rangba Band-Kynhun ya ki Samla dan Sam ka Eastern Brook Band ka thop sangut ki de khot ki ba lala bat sei bat pen ia ki sap tem sap ruai jong ki hakiran san baper wat hapadeng kajing bam Iohi ki khman kajing kerpat kani Nongtem tem kala yo jubab nau Menteri Rangba uba la yap bi palat ya rukom tem jong ki ya kini ki tiar tem la IT sha kani Nongtem ha kajing ya kendo hayeng sa Menteri Rangba.
So awesome. So there is much more equipment lying on the side. There's a drum kit, I think. Is it? Is it a drum kit? Yeah. So there's a drum kit. So drum kit is there. Then we have got the effects. We've got some effects for you. And yeah, and all the wires and everything. And amps also?
Yes,
amp is there?
Yeah.
So amps also, okay? So drum kit, guitar, bass, keyboard. Tell us your names, all of them, and what instrument you play.
I'm the lead guitarist of Eastern Brook, so my name is Nongtem.
And then next.
I am one of Nongtem. I am the lead vocalist of the band.
Great.
And I am Waiki, and I am the drummer of this band.
Great. So I think all of us really would like to know what is it that brought you all together and how your band, came together. And when did this happen?
It all started in 2022, like when we first came to notice, like because we wanted to form a band since 2019 and all while we were in school, but we have some hard time and there are some tough challenges going on the way, and then after that in 2022 when this MGMP started to
The Meghalaya Grassroots Music Program.
When MGMP started to form, and then we saw the door was opening for us also to make a name for ourselves, and then there we kick off with our band. And then at first it was a tough challenge for us with the equipment and the instruments, but then we have few of our friends who said, oh, we will help you with that, and then we started, and then we said, okay, let's just then form a band, because that is our passion since we were in school. So we kick off with that, and then we make a name for ourselves, and then we got to break the barrier.
Absolutely. And then
it is an honor to be with you in front. I feel so, I'm so proud of myself. I'm also a huge fan of you. I saw the way you play guitar and all. So I really look up to you also.
We look up to you, in fact. It's amazing that in spite of so many challenges that you have, that you still manage to follow your dreams and your passion, I should say. And whatever we're doing today is just a small way to show our support for the passion that you have. In fact, I want to just also tell all of you that you will be, and you are already in fact, a great source of inspiration for many of the youngsters of our state, and in fact the country, that when you believe in something and when you're passionate about something, no matter what challenges there are, if you keep working at it, you will achieve. And you will definitely achieve the goals that you have. So you're a great inspiration, and I really want to congratulate you for what you have done. And what are your future plans? Are you planning to come out with some kind of an album or something?
Yes, actually we are planning the things that we are facing difficult, regarding financial and all. So that's the reason,
you may be in the right place.
Studio is very hard for us. It costs around 20,000 per song.
Right.
So it's difficult for us.
So you'll have to convince me that the song is good for recording, and then we'll work with you for the recording.
So for now, try to compose the song, try to practice properly.
You do that.
After that, let's see.
Yeah,
how to manage regarding
First
financial.
you have to, the music should be also with the, should be, it will be nice for others also to listen. So we have to
plan nicely, so you have to be creative also the music. So.
And also, it's a great opportunity that you give us like this equipment and all, so that we'll be practicing and then, you know, we'll move ahead.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Move forward ahead.
I'm sure that you know your music and your songs that you come out with will be really, really amazing, and you know we wish you the very best for it. And I want to assure you that we will keep supporting you. As you know that the Meghalaya grassroots music program was was meant to do exactly what it is doing now, to bring out the talent that our youth have and showcase it and allow them to be able to perform at different stages. So the fact that MGMP has found the talent in you and you brought you out is.
It will be nice for others also to listen. So we have to plan nicely, so we have to be creative also the music. So.
And also, it's a great opportunity that you give us like this equipment and all, so that we'll be practicing and then, you know, we'll move ahead.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Move forward ahead.
I'm sure that your music and your songs that you come out with will be really, really amazing, and we wish you the very best for it. And I want to assure you that we will keep supporting you. As you know that the Meghalaya grassroots music program was was meant to do exactly what it is doing now, to bring out the talent that our youth have and showcase it and allow them to be able to perform at different stages. So the fact that MGMP has found the talent in you and you brought you out is a great satisfaction to me also, to see that our programs are actually succeeding. And at the same time, as I said, for the album, we are also going to support. You keep doing your work. And I really encourage you to also become icons for the youth. You should. You should lead by example, by telling them about how you had challenges and struggles, and yet you've done what, and you've achieved what you have achieved till now. And I'm sure many more things in the future. So I think you're a great example to the youth. And in spite of all the different, in today's world, so many distractions are there for the youth. Be it issues with drugs, be it issues with different forms of substance abuse, be it other issues that the youth are facing. I think you should be a good icon and a good example to tell the youth that we should focus on our dreams and our passions.
Yes,
so I really hope that you will become an example to others.
Yes, sir.
So thank you so much once again.
Thank you, sir.
And I wish you all the very best.
Thank you, sir.
I think the equipments are still packed, so we can't jam tonight.
Yes.
We will, before you get used to the equipments, and one of these days we will jam together. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. I hope you like it. You'll